Alright, the first thing is to take this off, but you can pry it off with a flathead, and it's just held on by a couple of tabs on both sides. And there should be 2 Phillips screws on the top. Those come off, and if you have an ashtray that comes out, there should be one in there most of the times. And then this just comes right off because it only has little tabs here also. It has 4 of them. After you take that off, there's 4 Phillips screws. We already took 2 of them out, so that's why there's only 2 in here. And that will bring this loose. Well, here's where your switch will be located. And there's 2 little tabs, both on the top and the bottom. If you get just a small flathead, you pry that out, it should come right out. Well, actually in your case it might not even have one. And then just pop the new one in. It only goes in one way. And then just reverse process for everything else. Put this back in, put your screws back in, pop this back in. You'll see the slots where those little tabs go into, and it just pops right back in, all assembles back all together easily. And that should be it. There's nothing else that you should do after that.